Hi friends, hello. So today what are we going to talk about? Not physics. You must have known by the thumbnail. Okay. So not physics today. We are going to continue physics but not now. Okay, so today we know that squares and square roots are important part in our mathematics. So today there are some tricks which I am going to share with you. Okay, so this two videos. This is the first one. This is the part one of square and square. Okay, firstly we will learn about squares and then mostly squares and then in these two videos. Okay, and afterwards if I like it, so about roots also. Okay, so uh, this is our today's thumbnail, right? Yeah, this is thumbnail. Okay, so okay, now let's start with the content. Squares. We know some basic squares, like meaning of squares, like n equals to n square. What does this sentence mean? This is very basics in square. You must have learned it. In this video, basically, we are going to focus on the tips and tricks. Okay, so very fast where you are going to do certain squares. Okay, or this same we can write the both are same. Okay, so you know that 25 equals to 5 squared and 25 root equals to 5. So you know this basic thing. You should learn this only, like you can learn if you want, like till 50 or something. But what if somebody asks you the square of 70? How directly can you tell them? Okay, so it's hard. Now, to make it easier, there are some tips and tricks, like from which you can do any square just in like half a minute or like half a minute or a minute. Okay, you will be done. Okay, so take any number. There are totally three tricks. In the third trick, which I am going to talk in the next video, there you will learn about a technique from which you can take square of any number. Okay, literally any number. Like if you want to go in crores, you can do that also. Okay, so literally any number you can do with it. Okay, so now, firstly, we will learn for two-digit numbers. Okay, two-digit numbers. Yeah. So let's start. In two-digit numbers, take any number. Like take any. So let's start with smaller number, or let's take greater than that. Then we'll go to smaller. Let's take 86. Okay. So 86. Here we consider 8 as x and y 6 as y. Okay, so the first one as x, second one as y. Okay, so here now the formula is like represent this one in this form, like in two columns. Now x square y square in center 2xy. Okay, so write it like this, and then we have to follow certain steps to find our square. I am teaching, so you must find it very hard and difficult, something like, but it's not. Okay, so 86. So x is here 8. So 8 squared is 64. 86. So here will be 36. And 2xy. So what is x? 8 6 are 48. 48 2s are 96. Okay. So here comes 96. Yeah. So what you have to do, see, here the units digit you have to encircle. You have encircled once, write it downside and add the tens place. Okay, so the tens place or the remaining digits on the left, underline the unit digit and add the remaining digits on the left to this 96. Now this 96 becomes 99. Yeah. Now you have to do one more step. 6. Underline this 9. Okay, the unit digit of this also. Okay, so this both are underlined now. And add this 9 to 64. So what is the answer? 64 plus 9, you can tell. Of course, it's 70. 3, and encircle this whole. So the square of 86 is 7396. You can verify it. Just simply go to the calculator and verify it. You will get the answer. You will know I'm telling the truth or lie. This is the simplest trick to find this two-digit number. Okay, so this was a quite large number. Let's take 37. Or you okay? Let's take 37 and then let's take one more example. So 37 x square y square 2xy. This is our formula. So x square 37. So 3 square 9. Then 7 square 49. And 7 threes are 21. 21 twos are 42. So just simply write that 42. Now encircling this 9. Okay. Now 46 will be the here. So encircle it. Then 4 will add it. So 13 will be there. Okay. So 3, 6, 9. Encircle digits, like arrange them 1, 3, 6, 9. It's the square of 37. Just too simple. Now, for your confirmation and betterment, let's take a very small one. Let's take 18. Let's just take 18. 1 square 1, 8 square 64, and 60. Okay, 1 8 and 8 2. Simply. So underline 4. 6 added here. So 22. Okay, 2 added. 1 minute. This is 16. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. So we are finding 18 squares is 409 here. 6 added to this. Okay, so 16 plus 6 22, and here it is 1 not a 2. Okay, so it is 1 here. Spelling mistakes. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so 3 2 4. Yeah, this will be the 18 square. Simple. Simple. Yeah, very simple. Let's take any random number. Let's take 63. Okay, so you know x square, 2xy, y square. Yeah, so 63. 36 and 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are again 36, and then 3. Okay, no, not 3, 3 squared 9. Yeah. So here 9 will remain as it is. I told you that units digit should be circled, and here will be 0, and 0 added to 36 is nothing. So here 36, underline this digit. Now your answer will be 3, 6, and 3 added there. Okay, so it will be 3969. Your answer will be 3969. The square of is the square of 63. Okay. Now these were some examples. You can work take any random number and follow this method and check whether it's coming or not. Okay. So now let's take a bigger, very bigger number. Like not so bigger, but for series 94. So 81, 9 fours are 36, 36 twos are 72. Okay, so and 4 square is 16. So here 6 will be underlined, 1 will be added there, 73, 3 will be underlined, 81. Okay, so the answer here will be 81 plus 7 is 88. So 8836 will be the answer. Now, in here, so 94 square equals to 8836. Okay, just simple. Okay. Now, we will study a technique known as AABB technique. Okay, so AABB. Okay, so AABB. In this technique, you can apply this technique only from the numbers of 50 to 59. Okay, so this is very extremely easy technique. Okay, just for the numbers of 50 to 59. Okay, so what here, let's take any number 53, suppose. So AA, what is AA? Here AA is 25 plus 3. 5 will be constant, so after the 5, let's assume it 5m. Okay, let's take it as variable. Okay, so 5m. So add 25 plus m. Okay, so here m comes. AA is 25 plus m. Write the sum there. I'm denoting sum as s. And what is BB? It is m squared. So 5, not 5. It is s m squared. It is s m squared. So by this technique, let's do 2 or 3 examples. So take any number. Assume 53. So 25 plus 3 is 28. And 3 squared is 9. But here you have to be careful. It is written BB. So it should be 2 digit. So 2809. Yeah. Okay. So 2809 is the answer for this question. You can check this by the method which we have talked about in the previous one. Okay, so 1 minute 53. So it will be 25, 30, and 3. 3 squared is 9. Okay, so 9 here, 0 here, 3, 2809. See how fastly I done this here? With your mind, you can do anything. Like I was teaching, so it was made in time. But now it is 2809. Okay, it's just simple. If you're not like having some still confidence, we will do another example also. Okay, so just take simply 57. Okay, by AABB technique we will solve this. AA, the name is very interesting. AABB. Oh, 57. So 25 plus 7 is 32. And what is 7 squared? It's 49. This is your answer. You're getting the answers really fast. Yeah, this was the technique for it. Let's verify it by previous technique. So 5 squared is 25. Then the 5 squared and 7 squared is 49. 7 5 is 35 plus into 2. So here comes 9. Then 4 plus 74. So 25 plus 7. So answer comes 3249. Just simple. Hence verified. Okay, so these are techniques by which you can do it very sharply and easily. Now, for specially the digits ending with the 5. 5. Like the number ending is with 5. Okay, so take any number. 25. Okay, so here you have to write the square of 5 first. 25, which is 25. This will be known by most of the people, but still. Okay, so here let's assume it as m5, like it is done, not multiplying. We are not ever multiplying here. Okay, so it will be the previous digits of it will be m into m plus 1. Okay, you're assuming it what he's giving formulas, and it's just nothing. It's simply like you're doing for 75. So 5 square 7. 7 into 8. M plus 1 is 7 plus 1 8. So 7 8s are 56. So 76 squared is 5625. Just too simple. Yeah. So these are some techniques. And in the next video, the technique will be so nice that you can multiply even in crores, Arabs, whatever you think, billions, trillions, anything. Okay, so it's more like a kundali. Okay, you know kundali in India, or Rashi we say it. It's like that technique. It's not that, but it's like its drawings are like that. By some squares and all that, you can do it. And by that method also, what you can do, by that method you can multiply any two numbers also. You can take squares and multiply by any two numbers also. Okay, so it's like a horoscope. It will be interesting. Okay, so you can take a screenshot 1 minute. I will take it there too. Sorry for the delay. I made this video first only, but what happened? The voice gone. Okay, so that's why the delay happens. Screenshot you can take. Yeah, you can pause and take the screenshot. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the next video of this part will also come, and then again with physics. Physics is a good, yeah. Maths is also good. Both are interesting. Okay. So bye. Thank you. Study well. Apply these techniques. Okay. So if you want more questions, you can like randomly take any number square and check it with it. Please, these are very nice techniques. You have to like apply it. So thank you very much. I am ending now. Bye.